Today we celebrate Saint Rose of Lima. The name Rose comes from an incident early in her life when a servant claimed to have seen her face transform into a rose. As a young girl even, she began to fast 3 times a week and perform severe penances in secret. When she was admired for her beauty, what did she do? She cut off her hair and rubbed peppers on her face, upset that men were beginning to take notice of her. She rejected all suitors, and despite the censure of her parents, she spent many hours contemplating the Blessed Sacrament, which she received daily. She was determined to take a vow of virginity, which was opposed by her parents, who wanted her to marry. Finally, out of frustration, Daddy gave her a room to herself in the family home. In addition to fasting, she took permanent abstinence from eating meat, helped the sick and hungry around her community, bringing them to her room and taking care of them. She sold her needlework and took flowers that she grew to market to help her family. She made and sold lace and embroidery to care for the poor, and she prayed and did penance in a little grotto that she had built. She left her room. When? Only because she was going to visit the church. So what happens next? Well, she attracted the attention of the friars of the Dominican order. She wanted to become a nun, but Daddy said no. So she joined the Third Order of St. Dominic while living at home until she was 20 years old. At that point, she took a vow of perpetual virginity. She allowed herself to sleep 2 hours a night at most, so she had more time to devote to prayer. She donned a heavy crown made of silver with small spikes on the inside, in emulation of the crown of thorns worn by Christ. Lived this way for 11 years with intervals of ecstasy, and eventually died at the old age of 24. It is said that she prophesied the date of her death. Her funeral was held in the cathedral, attended by all the public authorities. Saint Rose of Lima, she truly was a rose, a beautiful rose, a rose of sanctity. God bless her. God bless us.